Um, I was just going through my tools and digging out of my Snap-on tool bag, and I came across this. Yep, that's a hole. Um, I use this as a roll call bag at work, and then brought it home because I got a newer roll call bag, uh, a DeWalt that had two plastic runners on the bottom, a little extra space, a little extra protection. Um, didn't think that the tools that I had in my bag would punch a hole through canvas and cardboard. Yes, that's cardboard, not wood, not plastic, cardboard. So, Snap-on, um, they're cutting corners. Some of their tools are top notch. Some of them you gotta pass on. You just gotta be a lot more careful what you get on the tool truck today. I got this as a freebie with a purchase. Can't remember what the purchase was. It's been a while, but no matter what brand you buy, be wary that the abuse you put on your tools signifies the quality, which is starting to be an ancient and obsolete word. It's pathetic. Sorry, Snap-on. You guys used to be top notch. Not anymore. Sorry. Start making your own, guys. Start finding ways to make your own ammo cans. Start woodworking. Start coming up with ulterior forms of usage. Good luck. Thanks.